Scenario Builder strives to optimize functionality by minimizing repeated user steps. This objective is clearly manifested by the play script action, which allows you to call a previously created scenario and play it in the current scenario. Before we go on, let me clarify that in Scenario Builder, the terms script and scenario can be used interchangeably. The play script action literally plays a scenario. Designed to let you easily share common action sequences across scenarios, simply select from the project scripts pane to instantly add a script to your scenario. Any sequence that may be reused throughout the course of a project, such as a login, create account, or a logout, need only be created as a scenario, then simply called as needed. Similar to components in that they're self-contained blocks, scripts are ideally suited for sharing across scenarios. Scenarios played via the play script action open in their own tab in the scenario window, where they can easily be updated and saved on the fly without ever exiting the scenario you're building. And any updates you make to a scenario are immediately realized by all of the scenarios calling it via the play script action. No prompting, no warning, simply seamless integration. Let's look at an example. I've created a project that contains a variety of scenarios, including an Amazon login script. Now, let's say our project calls for another test within the Amazon site that requires a login to start. We'll open a blank scenario and expand the scripts pane. We'll double-click the Sign in Amazon script. Notice it's added to the scenario window as a play script action. As I mentioned, if I click the Sign in Amazon tab, I can view the scenario and edit if necessary. Here I just want to use the login script as designed. Now I'll click play. This will execute the Sign in Amazon script and thereby queue up my desktop to the point where the next steps can be recorded. Now we'll go into record mode and add some steps to the scenario. Click on our cart and remove the item. Last, we'll stop recording, and to end the scenario, we'll again pull from the list of previously designed scenarios and use a play script action to sign out and close the browser. This simple example just scratches the surface. A true appreciation for the play script feature comes when designing multiple test scenarios for extensive test cases. Remember, any number of scripts can be called from a scenario in any order. The same script can be called multiple times. And consider the flexibility that comes with the play script action. Each script can contain its own on-failure actions and a unique set of parameter values and components. Additionally, when incorporated into test plans in AppLoader or application monitors in AppsWatch, response time reporting is broken out for each script. So it's easy to see that whether you're designing basic scenarios for elementary business processes or complex scenarios for elaborate applications, the play script action can dramatically simplify the task. Thanks for watching.